everybody. It's Chantel with Telly's Talking Chalk. I'm sorry that was so close. How's everybody doing today? Oh, I don't have my iPad. I have a mess on my desk today, so give me 1 sec. When you're jumping on, say hello. Let me know where you're coming in from. How's everybody? Just trying to square that up a bit. So I don't want Facebook to get mad at me, so I'm going to turn that down. We're not going to be doing a craft today. My stuff has not come in, but I did want to show you some stuff that I got from the mall. There was a store that's closing, and so I just popped my head in there to check it out, and I found some transfers, they call them stencils, that I'm going to try out when more of my surfaces coming in. I'm sorry I'm a couple minutes late. I'm actually, well, I didn't say up until today that I was only going to come live at 3 today. Just the way things worked out, but even a couple minutes after that. So, give me 1 second as I share this out. You can do the same. Okay, so I went to the mall just to look around. Man, was it busy. I did it on Sunday. And so these are some of the things I got. This one. So it says, please excuse the mess. Our children are making memories. I know Chocolatier had one like this. I don't remember. I don't know if we still have it in this catalog. We then have Life is Short, Lick the Spoon. If you're watching this on replay and there's no live button, hashtag replay, let me know which one is your favorite. And then there is, she leaves a little sparkle wherever she goes. Another one. When you jump on, say hello. Let me know where you're coming in from. Then we have, oh, stick it together. This home is full of love and love, laughter, and laundry. Then we have Mama's Kitchen. Hi everybody. How are you doing today? you see one that you like, let me know. We have an ABC one. Good for making your own words and t-shirts. I have a block letter one. I got all of the kinds that I could. And there's this one. This ones are small ones. Again, these are not Chocatours, but just happened to be out and saw them and decided to grab them. And then we have Say Yes to the New Adventures. So those are the new ones I got over the weekend. Let me know which ones you guys like the most. If you haven't seen them all, go back and watch the replay and let me know. And I will talk to you later. Bye, guys.